Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Friday, February 16, 2024 on our channel. ALDI set to invest £550 million in store and distribution network. LAUDA expands its Asian presence. Carrier and Brooktherm provide energy-efficient cooling and heating solution for world's largest vertical farm. U.S. administration announces million to accelerate electric heat pump manufacturing across America. EPA requires Leprino Foods Company in Tracy, California, to improve chemical safety. Lennox announces new VP/General Manager and Vice President of Sales and Stores. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. ALDI set to invest £550 million in store and distribution network. ALDI will invest more than £550 million in expanding and further improving its store and distribution network during 2024. This includes plans to open stores in new locations up and down the country, as well as upgrading its existing stores and distribution centers to support growth. New stores set to open in 2024 will create over 1,500 new jobs across the country, with further job opportunities in its current stores, regional distribution centers, and UK offices. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. LAUDA expands its Asian presence. LAUDA Singapore Pte. Limited, a subsidiary of the world market leader in precise temperature control, LAUDA Dr. R. Wabser GmbH and AMP, CO. KG, celebrated the opening of its new office in Singapore at the end of last year. The event was attended by LAUDA President and AMP, CEO Dr. Gunther Wabser and CSO Dr. Ralph Herman, who is responsible for sales, product management and service, as well as high-ranking guests, including the Executive Director of the Singaporean German Chamber of Commerce, Drive. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Carrier and Brooktherm provide energy-efficient cooling and heating solution for world's largest vertical farm. Carrier Aqua Snap 30 RBP air-cooled scroll chillers operating on lower global warming potential (GWP) refrigerant R32 are providing high-efficiency cooling and heating for the world's largest vertical farm in Leprino, located in the Forest of Dean district in Gloucestershire, operated by Jones Food Company. The vertical farm, the size of 70 tennis courts, offers 148,000 square feet of growing space for stacking crops 15 layers high, and is expected to supply 1,000 tons of fresh produce a year to UK supermarkets. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. U.S. administration announces million to accelerate electric heat pump manufacturing across America. The U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, announced the availability of million to accelerate the growth of domestic manufacturing of residential heat pumps, heat pump water heaters, and other heat pump systems and components. This funding opportunity builds on a successful first round of million in funding to manufacturers of heat pumps and components in November 2023. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. EPA requires Leprino Foods Company in Tracy, California, to improve chemical safety. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, announced a settlement with Leprino Foods Company for claims of violations of the Clean Air Act, the Emergency Planning and Community Right to Know Act, and the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act at the company's facility in Tracy, California. The violation claims pertain to the facility's anhydrous ammonia refrigeration system that is used for cheese production and storage. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Lennox announces new VP/General Manager and Vice President of Sales and Stores. Lennox announced that Vice President and General Manager Quan Nguyen has elected to retire effective February 2, 2024, after 13 exceptional years with the company. Lanessa Bannister, Vice President of Sales and Stores, has succeeded Nguyen as Vice President and General Manager effective immediately. And quote, "I am truly honored to embrace this new role and grateful for the trust placed in me," said Bannister. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.